Deciphering the phrase, cross-face. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across but might not be entirely familiar with, cross-face. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in various contexts. A cross-face is literally a face that looks angry or displeased. When someone is said to have a cross face, it means they are displaying an expression of annoyance, anger, or frustration. For example, Sarah had a cross face when she saw the spilled milk on the floor. After hearing the bad news, he put on a cross face. To understand cross face better, let's break it down. The word cross can be an adjective that means angry or annoyed. So, when someone is cross, they are upset about something. For example, why are you so cross today? The teacher was cross with the student for not doing homework. Understanding this will help you realize that cross-face is simply an extension of the adjective cross, indicating someone's facial expression. Let's now see how we can use cross-face in various sentences. 1. Every time he's late, she gives him a cross face. 2. I knew I had made a mistake when I saw her cross face. 3. Avoid making a cross face when you're trying to solve a disagreement. It can escalate the situation. While cross-face is a great phrase, there are other similar expressions you might encounter. Long face indicates sadness or disappointment. Poker face, a face that shows no emotion, typically used in situations where someone doesn't want to give away what they're thinking or feeling. Face like thunder, an extremely angry expression. Knowing these related phrases can help you better navigate conversations and literature. There you have it. We've unraveled the meaning of the phrase, cross-face, and even explored some related expressions. Next time you see someone with a displeased expression, you'll know exactly how to describe it in English. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.